Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate days in Excel from dates. So let's start this. Here you can see I have so many dates. So here I am going to calculate days. So simply select the cell is equal to and select the last date minus, then select the start date and press the enter key and just drag the formula below the cell. And here you see the 9 days here calculated. The second way, select the cell, use the is equal to, use the days functions, tab, and select the end date, comma, then start date, use the bracket close and press the enter key and drag the function below the cell. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.